how to download and install KRNL Executor Mobile V2 670 for Roblox on iOS. So the first thing that you want to do is open any browser on your iOS device and search for krnlexecutive.com. Over here, tap on iOS, then hit free download. After that, scroll down and tap on the KRNL IPF file. After that, once the IPF file is downloaded, open the eSign app. Then tap on the three dots and hit import. Over here, select the KRNL IPF file and tap import. Then tap on apps and open KRNL Executor. After that, hit signature twice. Then after a few seconds, hit install. Over here, you will see KRNL Executor installing on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.